Hey guys, it's Rosalie. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make the vinyl stickers that I sell on my Etsy shop. I do all the printing and cutting by myself at home, and this is how you can make your own too. The materials I use are the Cricut sticker vinyl, which I find is a lot sturdier than regular sticker paper, scissors, and then if you're planning on selling your stickers, you'll want to package them, and for that I use a stapler, cardstock, and cellophane bags. Mine are 2 3/4 by 3 3/4 inches, and I ordered these off Amazon. The printer I use is a Canon Pixma Pro 100. I also sometimes use an HP 8610 for printing packaging because it's cheaper. The quality isn't as good, but it's worth it to save some money. I designed my stickers in Procreate or Illustrator. Today I'm using Procreate on my iPad Pro. You can use any drawing program you want. You can even draw your stickers by hand and scan them in. Some things to consider while you're drawing your sticker is to make sure it has a clear silhouette, because if your sticker has a very complicated outline or has a lot of thin parts, it'll make it a lot harder to cut out later on. You also want to make sure that your sticker design is simple enough to work at a small scale, because otherwise all the details will get lost when it's that small. After I'm done drawing, I airdrop it to my laptop so I can arrange all the stickers in Photoshop. I use an 8.5 by 11 document in CMYK, which is for printing, at 300 dpi. I fit as many as I can at the correct scale, and I also add tabs which will make them a lot easier to peel later on. Before you print, I would highly recommend doing a small test print. Don't print an entire sheet, you just want to print one sticker, or maybe even scale it down to save ink. And this is just to make sure that all your colors look correct and the quality is right. Then go ahead and send it to the printer. I use Photo Best Quality. My printer doesn't have a whole lot of print options, but if yours does, I would use something like Premium Matte Photo Paper for this Cricut sticker vinyl. After I print out my stickers, I cut them out with just regular old scissors. And then to make the tab, I peel back the tab about halfway back, and then I cut off the sticky front side, which leaves just the backing, and it makes it a lot easier for customers to peel them off. To package them, I use cardstock and cellophane bags. I designed the packaging in Illustrator, which is going to be folded over the top of the bag. I usually just reuse a template that I already made because I like my packaging to be consistent. I print it out on my HP printer, and then I cut them out, fold it over the top, and staple it shut. And there you have it. That's how I make stickers. I hope this video was helpful to you if you're looking to make some stickers. If you're interested in buying stickers, buttons, or prints from me, you can check out my Etsy. I'll put the link in the description, or you can go to etsy.com/shop/rosabeeart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!